All right, so the time has come. I know I'm a little bit late with this, but I finally got my hands on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Now, I did get to check out the original Galaxy Z Flip, so I was really looking forward to see just how much has been improved coming to the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Now, I know I'm a little late with this, but you know what? Better late than never. I have gotten the chance to spend some time with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 actually for quite a bit now. I absolutely love this phone right here. So really curious to see what we're gonna have going on here with the Galaxy Z Flip 3. This is going to be my very first hands-on with this device. So I'm tired of talking. Let's go ahead and open up this box right here. Check out the phone. And here it is. Woo! Look at that. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic here. Let's see, let's hope I do this right, because I don't think I did it right with the Z Fold 3 last time. Let's see, how do I take this off? All right, here we go. Look at that. Woo! Go ahead and just throw that over and look at this. So I did get this in the Phantom Black, as you can see there. Beautiful, beautiful looking color. This was actually the only color they had left, and the very last device that they had in stock there at the store. So I had to pick it up. I didn't care what color it was. I did really want to check out that cream color, but you know what? You cannot go wrong with the Phantom Black. And this is looking beautiful. I mean, this looks amazing. Let's go ahead and give it its first fold here, or flip, I guess you would say. This is the flip. Ooh, and it's nice and sturdy. Look at that. Doesn't feel loose at all. Bam, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so small. I remember really liking the original Galaxy Z Flip because of how small it is. It just fit easily in my pocket. I was able to fit it anywhere and it never got in the way. So I really love this overall form factor. I'm glad we do got this bigger display in the front already. I can tell though that it is quite a bit of a fingerprint magnet. Not sure if you can see it there on camera, but it's already attracting my fingerprints, which is fine. All you gotta do is just kind of wipe it down. But this Phantom Black and this phone right here looking really, really nice. Let me go ahead and open it back up. Let's see if it's got some juice. So I see that we do have the power button volume rockers over to the right side. Nothing on the left side except for that SIM card slot. Nothing at the top except for the microphone on the bottom. It looks like we have two microphones on the bottom. USB Type-C charging port and that speaker, of course. And it looks like we do got some juice. What else is coming in the box? Because this is a very skinny box. Look at nothing else there. Let me go ahead and see what comes in this box that comes inside of the box. Okay, so we do got the charger in there. USB Type-C, of course, no charging brick. And then the SIM ejector tool and all these other tips and quick start guide and all that stuff that we don't need. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that box there. And the device says welcome. Look at that. So we're still getting that punch hole camera cut out up at the top. It's not that under display camera like what we see with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which honestly I'm totally fine with because the quality is going to be a lot better when it comes to taking pictures and video with this inside camera right here. Now I do think we have 120 hertz on here. Honestly, I didn't read too many specs up on this device because I kind of wanted it to be a surprise when, you know, I got my first hands-on with this phone. So we're going to be finding out here in a second, but I believe it does have 120 hertz on that inside display. Then of course we do have a flash above the two cameras on the outside. But man, this hinge just feels super sturdy. Look at that. Like it's not loose at all. It's not gonna fall. Look at that. Amazing. It just stays exactly where I put it. Even if I put it almost closed, oh, there we go, it closed. But if I put it like right here, it doesn't automatically close. Look at that. So very, very cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in real quick and then we'll go ahead and take a deeper look into the device. All right, so I am all signed up, signed in and ready to go as you can see here. And I gotta say, I am already in love with this phone right here. Honestly, I don't know exactly what it is just yet, but it just seems like it's going to be a really fun phone to use, especially because I already know that I had a lot of fun with the previous Galaxy Z Flip. I already know I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one right here, especially because it's been upgraded with a lot of new features. Now we do get that 120 hertz of smoothness on this inside display right here, and it is an absolutely beautiful display. I mean, the colors just pop out at you. They're nice and vibrant. It's just something that you can expect from a Samsung display. So really loving that inside display. With the crease, yeah, the crease is still there, which honestly for me isn't that big of a deal. I mean, once you start using it, I mean, it's hard to know, especially if you're looking at it face on like this. I mean, you don't even notice that it's there. So honestly, for me, not really a big deal. Now it does come with an inside pre-installed screen protector, which actually feels really good. It doesn't feel like there's any screen protector there at all. So I don't think I'm gonna have to be replacing this anytime soon, although I just might with that ultra thin glass screen protector from Whitestone Dome. I mean, I did the same exact thing with my Galaxy Z Fold 3, so who knows, I might end up doing it with this device right here. But if I don't, I really don't have to worry because that pre-installed screen protector is gonna work out just fine. Feels really, really good. And speaking of displays, this outside display right here is so much better than the previous Galaxy Z Flip. I mean, you're getting so much more information. You get a cool little animation there when you open it up. You get the time, the date, the battery percentage, and we also get widgets. So all I gotta do is just swipe to the left and I get access to all these widgets. I can set them up exactly how I want to. And another cool thing about this outside display, now that it's bigger, it's gonna make taking selfies with the main camera just so much better. So you get the better quality photo when using that outside camera or the main camera to take your selfies or videos. So all you gotta do is just double tap that power button and look at that, opens up the camera for you. And then in order to take the picture, you press the volume down button. Well, when it's closed like this, it's gonna look like the volume up button, but you get what I mean. So all you gotta do is just hold the phone out. I'm getting a phone call from my sister. Let me go ahead. Sorry sis, I gotta ignore you right now. I'm making a video. Give me a second. All right, so all you gotta do is hold the phone out, take a picture, smile, and it took the photo. Let's go and take a look at it, see how good the quality is with that main camera taking selfies. Wow, and it actually looks pretty good. Now, I'm not a selfie guy or anything like that, but as far as the quality goes with this picture right here, I mean, it actually looks really good. Let me go and zoom in. And yeah, so it's actually looking pretty good there. So that's gonna be fun to use. I don't have to open up the phone at all. And especially for somebody that's vlogging, I mean, all you gotta do is just hold this little tiny square right here, hold it up, talk to your phone, you can see yourself with that little tiny display. Hey, you're good to go. Now this is just supposed to be a first impressions video of this device right here, so I'm not going too fully in depth, but so far I am impressed. I really like what Samsung has going on right here. This is the 128 gigabyte model with 8 gigabytes of RAM. There is no option to expand the storage, so no SD card slot. Kind of a bummer, but it's something I kind of expected as well. Really wish they would have put that in there as well though. And this is also water resistant. It is not dust resistant, but it is water resistant. So now I don't have to worry about splashing water on this or possibly dropping it in water or anything like that. So I'm gonna be able to use this a lot more comfortably than I was with the original Galaxy Z Flip. But overall, I mean, beautiful, beautiful looking phone. Really, really liking it, especially in this, Phantom black color. It's just really, really nice. Honestly, I mean, you cannot go wrong with this color right here. So definitely going to be a very fun phone to use. So overall first impressions, my very first hands-on with this device right here, I'm in love already. Can't wait to start using it and really test it out. You already know I'm gonna have my all-day battery drain test going with this because I have heard some negative things about battery life when it comes to this phone right here. I can't really say anything from experience. I gotta check it out for myself. So you already know you're gonna have a video coming with that. Of course, we're gonna be checking out the cameras and a whole lot of other stuff. So make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of those future videos. But if you do already have one of these for yourself, if you were luckier than I was and got to get one before me, let me know how it's holding up. Let me know what you think about it so far. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any of the future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.